Hello everyone, this is a 52-inch Hunter Original with Adaptair that I put up in my living room. I previously had an Emerson heat fan industrial in here in brushed nickel, but for a few reasons that proved to be impractical. Part of the reason being that we couldn't have the light on it, and I had to have these recessed lights on all the time, which was problematic because they're very bright and they shine right in your eyes while you're watching TV. So now I can turn them off and turn that light on, and I just have a 40-watt equivalent soft white LED in there, so it's quite nice for watching TV. And this fan is 2 speeds, and I can also obviously reverse it with the Adaptair for heat reclamation, which, considering that these ceilings, well, right now they're about 12 or 13 feet high, but when I close them in, where these 2x4s are going horizontally, they'll be about 10 feet. So the heat rises, definitely. Anyways, let's see this thing run. We got the light kit going here. Before I turn it on, I'll just show you the Adaptair. We got the knob there. So when you twist it, the blades all turn simultaneously, which is definitely very cool. Much easier to use than reverse air, where you have to push each blade in individually and twist it. And this is the only Adaptair fan I've got. No, that's a lie. I'll do a second one. But it's all disassembled. So I put this one up. The other one's brown. But here it is on high. And low. It's got that famous R&M Hunter Original buzz. I need to get rubber washers to put on the blades. Help out with that a bit. But it doesn't really bother me. And then the blades are actually solid wood. I don't know what specifically they are. Walnut, maybe. But they're a lot darker than I normally find Hunter Original blades. They're very light, and the edges are beveled, which is unusual. Let me get up here and show you up close. So, I don't know quite what to make of that. I had them on my bedroom fan in my parents' old house in Windcrest. And I got them years ago from Richard Moss in New Orleans. But they're nice blades. I was originally going to put this up with Hunter Original cane blades, but my wife didn't like them, so I put these up, which is fine with me. Anyway, that is it, and I hope you enjoyed.